Hi guys, so the question is painting the ribbon. Alice and Bob have bought a ribbon consisting of n parts. Now they want to paint it. First, Alice will paint every part of the ribbon into one of M colors. For each part, she can choose its color arbitrarily. Then Bob will choose at most K parts of the ribbon and repaint them into the same color. Okay, he chooses the affected part of the color arbitrarily. Okay, Bob would like all the part to have the same color. However, Alice thinks that this is too dull, so she wants to paint the ribbon in such a way that Bob cannot make all of the make Bob cannot make all parts have the same color. Okay, it is possible to paint the same ribbon in a such a way. So yeah, what we have to output? We have to output for each test case print yes if Alice paints the ribbon that Bob cannot make all Bob cannot make all parts have the same color, otherwise print no. Okay, so what is saying, Alice and Bob playing a game with a ribbon that has n parts. Alice moves first. She paint each of the n parts with one of m colors. She can choose any color for each part freely. Bob moves second. He can choose at most k parts and repaint them all to all the same color. Okay, any color he wants. Okay, the goal is Bob wants all n parts to end up with the same color, and Alice want to prevent this. Okay, she want to be impossible for the Bob to make all the parts same color, even with his K repaints. Okay, so the question is, can Alice paint the ribbon in a such a especially like K is less than equal to repaint to any single color that he cannot make all n parts the same color. Okay, so let me show you the code. Here's the code. Here's the main solution. Okay, what we are taking? We are taking m and n and k. Okay, then we declare a new variable max allowed long, and what we are doing over here, one long value multiply with m, then multiply under bracket n minus k minus 1. Then we are doing a if condition. If n is less than equal to max allowed, output yes, otherwise no. Okay, so let me run the test cases for you. I have already run this code, so once again let me copy the test cases. Okay, now let's execute this file. So yeah, all the answers are correct, as you can see. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply. Thank you for watching.